Comes with 52 wall decals, assembled size 3A, 4.25 inches wide by 95.5 inches high 3B, 2 inches wide by 95.5 inches high 3C, 4 inches wide by 95.5 inches high. Easy to apply, just peel and stick. Applies to any smooth surface. Decals are removable and repositionable with no sticky residue. Wall decals made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install. Loves these for my son's nursery. Peel and stick was very easy. Instructions were understandable. Easy to adjust and was just as sticky as when I first applied. Plenty of leaves to make it your own design. I'm thinking of buying another set for the other side of his room. Some reviews say it's not worth the price, but I am happy with the product.